Out of the day when we get to D-Street Chatter. Nimesh is back with us. Nimesh, how are you reading today's trading session? It seems the bulls for the time being are going with an optimistic scenario. Markets at the day's high.
Nigel, a bit of confusing market for the last couple of days, right? Yesterday there was no reason for us to fall 300 points on the Nifty. Yeah. Of course, post markets we got to know that there was a large FI selling. Today we've recouped half of the yesterday's losses, but again, no specific reason for stocks to go up just one day before a very large event. So it looks like it's a bit confusing from a Nifty and a Bank Nifty point of view. But what is consistent is the outperformance in the broader markets. Even yesterday when the Nifty and the Bank Nifty was down, mid-cap index was buzzing. I spoke about a lot of SME stocks were up 8-10%. So that trend of mid-cap outperformance continue. Index is up 1.5%. The breadth is quite strong, and there is momentum in general in the broader market stocks, even in today's market. From a flow perspective, again, it looks like it's a mixed day. I haven't heard very large selling or a very large buying from larger institutions. So I guess it's a wait and watch out of the big event which will come out tonight. So I guess markets will react big time tomorrow on that tariff thing. So that's something to watch out for. Real estate as a space is doing good today, but I guess it's a combination of short covering as well as buying. There is a small buying is what I understand across real estate names, but I guess it's also to do with a bit of short covering after yesterday's fall on that Maharashtra news. So that's the sector to watch. I guess tomorrow a lot of sectors like pharma, IT and textile will react, and which we've been highlighting as well throughout the day. So nothing big to talk about that. But I guess at least from a larger institutional point of view, it's a wait and watch out of the big event tomorrow.
All right, on Chatter, we want to tell our viewers, I'm lucky I cleared a couple of my doubts before Nimesh goes live. But Nimesh, which are the top stocks that you picked out for our viewers?
Sure. So in terms of individual names, I'll start with a couple of pharma stocks. Well, of course, it's going to be a big event tomorrow. But for the last few days, there has been consistent selling in some of the pharma names, especially drreddys, which has been selling for the last many days. And today, for a change, there is a selling in Aurobindo Pharma as well. So both these names will see high delivery-based selling. And that's true, some larger FISMs to be selling on those names. So that's the first couple of stocks. The second stock is Paytm. That's been buzzing for the last few days. Even today's market, it's been buzzing in trade. The volume's on the higher side. I guess for Paytm, the street is anticipating that there could be some clarity with regards to the MDR. And that could be a significant trigger for Paytm going forward. So that's something to watch out for. Maybe something is likely in the next couple of days on that MDR front. So that's to watch out for there. The third stock is Delhivery. This is going to be quite interesting. The stock has been correcting in the last many weeks now. In the last few days, you've seen a bit of consolidation, a bit of buying as well at lower levels, almost at 52-week lows now. But now I understand in Delhivery, there could be a corporate development, a potential inorganic move is what I understand in Delhivery very soon. So that's something to track there. And the last name is Godrej Properties. I spoke about some bit of buying in real estate names. Godrej Properties stands out in terms of all the real estate stocks. This is one stock which is well bid, the volume's on the higher side, and looks like some institutional interest is back in Godrej Properties at current levels.
Nimesh, thanks for that. By the way, hearing anything you've heard on Kalyan?
Well, Prashant, there is a lot of chatter going around about, again, a possible corporate development there. I'm not sure whether, in the cool-off period, whether the company can announce a buyback or anything of that sort. But that's the kind of anticipation which is there. And I guess that's the reason why you're seeing aggressive short covering in Kalyan as well today.
All right. We'll see if that comes through, possible not. I think that's the buzz at least. But big move, about 11-12%.